Hi, my name is Amelia and I am the admin here in the office for Rotorua Steel Structures. I'm going to walk you through how we use our Euromarc QuickStock system. So here are our cabinets here in the office, which are nice and fully stocked. Anything that I take out of the cabinet, I'm going to mark off on here on our check-off sheet, which has got everything that we hold in the cabinets. So let's grab some stock and go and top up the boys' workshop cabinet. So now that we've got our stock from our Euromarc cabinets, I'm going to top up the boys' workshop cabinet, which they can use. Everything that they need in here for their daily tasks. They then will also sign the products out and assign it to a job so that we're able to keep track of the costing and how much materials they're using on that specific job.